Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about dealing with people who are never satisfied. I'm sure we can all think of examples where we've gone out of our way to help a friend, and especially if that friend has asked you for that favor, you know, you go out of your way, you even put the things that you have to do aside in order to help them. In turn, they don't say thank you for what you've done, or they don't appreciate what you've done for them. Instead, they find ways to complain or find ways, you know, on how you didn't do it well, or how, you know, you find ways to complain and constantly be negative. So if you've ever had to deal with those people that are simply never satisfied, and it's important, you know, to be able to realize that sometimes it's not about you. So I'll give you a few tips on how you can deal with those people that aren't always satisfied, people that are always finding reasons to be upset, finding ways to bring the mood down, or, you know, always look into what other people have and find ways to complain to you. So one of the few tips you can do when it comes to dealing with negative people is making sure that you don't judge them. I know that it sounds crazy, but sometimes, you know, it's not always about you. Sometimes it's the deeper issues that they're going through. They're going through so much that it's nothing to do with you, and it's not personal. Although, you know, you can always pull them aside and express honestly how you feel about them and how you feel like you're not being appreciated for what you've done for them, and that's completely fine. But sometimes being able to read those people in life, if you do the best that you can and you know that you've given it your all and somebody doesn't appreciate you, sometimes just, you know, it's important to know when to draw the line. Stop trying to help those people that won't appreciate you, and stay positive. There's nothing that will irritate them more than, you know, killing them with kindness. We've all had that phrase. And being able to maintain your emotions and maintain your temper is the best way you can deal with people that are never satisfied with what you do. And you can't go out of your way of constantly trying to please those people, because you're never going to win. So do the best you can, maintain your boundaries, stay positive, and realize that sometimes it's not personal. It's the best way you can deal with those people. And thank you for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.